Cool. Live. Looks like we're live. Man, where to start right now? And I have nothing really to do, so I'm just going to be working on the site. And I thought, may as well pop on the stream, do something. So yeah, we're just going to start doing that. I don't know what we'll work on. We'll just look at the site and the popover's still fucked up, so we can start there. That's a good place to start. So let's start this motherfucker up and get it going. Oi, get it going, baby. Let me pause the song real quick. I'm not going to be talking too much for the stream, but chat's open if anyone wants to talk. Otherwise, let's fucking do this thing. Okay. Yeah, wait, hold on. I gotta pause this. We have to think about this for a second here. How should this work on mobile? Are popovers even like a thing on mobile? Let's look at some design stuff, I guess. But I think what we'll do is we'll look at some actual examples and see what real world stuff does for mobile. There it is. Popover is not a good idea for mobile. What if we just did... Yeah, what size does this break down to? Let's do a refresh and then... Oh, also, we're going to have to... Oh, that's a good one to work on. Maybe we'll do that. We have to add a listener so that if the window changes size, yeah, look at that, it gets all fucked up. Oh, that's interesting. It stays, but it should stay. Yeah. But it does get screwy. So we have to say anytime the window gets resized, it's to reposition this thing. after attach, so let's do it. I'll try and keep this bigger so it's easier to read for viewers. We don't really need anything here. Okay, so what we need to do is say anytime the window changes size, we're gonna have to do, we don't unmount, but we're interesting. Does that come from here? Yes. Yeah, you know, I'm wondering if L dimensions. This was so tough to calc out though. Yeah, maybe at some point we can, we will almost for sure have to move this code, this stuff for the styling, all this stuff here, even the calculations, because L dimensions, calendar dimensions, it's getting calendar. Oh, because it's getting like the distance from the page. Yeah, we're gonna have to add it here. So this is gonna get a little bit gnar. Oh, it's interesting. How did I do this? Oh, interesting. Offset. Okay, maybe we can do this. Query selector. This is just getting one of these, measuring the width of one of these things. That makes sense. Why am I not doing that in here though? Weird. I wonder what I was thinking when I did this. Okay, but let's do it. Container. Yeah, it works. Interesting. I don't know what the fuck I was doing there. Oh, wait. Interesting. What the fuck is happening? What? No error, but it doesn't run. Let's see. It's not rendering. Did I call attach? That's why. I think we have to return this in the constructor for this to work. Oh no, but attach doesn't return it. So okay, so let's do one of those guys. Okay. So now here we have to add the window resize listener. And then we'll figure out the popover stuff. This is getting messy. This is getting messy. Let's do that. Let's see. Everything should be... Okay, some of the stuff's not in scope. So we can either pass them in. Calendar all we have. That works cool. Okay. I got to add in. Fuck, this is getting pretty gnar. Okay, let's do this then. 100. Oh no, that works. Yeah, it's fine. This is gonna get gnarled. This is for sure. We fucked something up here. Add event listener, click. Okay, let's see what we fucked up. Fucking hell. Wait, did it unmount the listener too? Oh shit. Wait, did it though? Yeah, we might not be sure. Let's make sure. I'm a fucking legend. Holy shit. Wait, did the resize stuff work though too? I don't know. Okay, it's not getting added. Yeah, that's the body, that's why. Oh, it should be window. Yes, here we go. Okay, it's getting cold. Ah, wait, nah, it fucked up there though, but it's resizing itself before the fucking calendar is Can we? This just got super fucking complicated. This is why I use What if we do... Oh man, this is gnar. The solutions I have in my brain are questionable. I'm gonna look at what other libraries do. Oh shit, they just say fuck it, huh? They don't care about the resizing? Oh, they do, yeah. So the problem with this is that I open this and then, well, let's refresh. Open this guy, and then when I resize though, the calendar resizes. Like they don't resize together. What if we delayed it a little bit? That might not be a bad idea. Oh, what if we debounce it? Oh man, it's about to get gnar. No, we could do that though. Shouldn't be that bad. Generally speaking, for something like this, you don't want to use a set timeout, but I do not give a fuck. Actually, it's the opposite. This is okay. So the popover resizes first, and then the calendar is resizing. Where the fuck did the other one even go? Not what I want to work on today. This isn't making progress towards everything. Maybe start over and React at this point. I think that is... Alright. Let's do it. So if we're going to do this, we should delete everything, right? Yep. We're going to delete everything. That's how it goes sometimes. Just tired of writing this thing. This little tooltip thing is gonna take me fucking weeks to like get all the behavior down, and who gives a shit. How do we do this? Create React app. Yeah. Think I do. Okay, we're gonna create it. We're just gonna like cods. Yeah, we'll do it like that. It should be fine. And we should be able to be fair, we should be able to move relatively quickly. We're just getting like cods. But yeah, it should be fine. Yeah, we'll do it like that. It should be fine. My connection sucks tonight. And we should be able to be fair, we should be able to move relatively quickly. Quickly. But yeah, should be fine. All right. Cool. What is it? Explorer. Okay, so let's just copy. Why is that what? Where's what? Something fucked up. Oi. It's one of my favorite songs of all time. Fucking Jesus Christ. Let's get fucked. You fucked it, friend. It's on its head. It struck the street. What is happening? We're not gonna do this for too much longer, honestly. Even though we haven't done anything yet. I want to go to sleep really, really early tonight. I mean, do we have anybody watching right now? Actually, no, no one's watching. I don't know. Let's fuck this. Fuck this noise. I'm over it. Ah, how long's it been? 35 minutes, and I guess we didn't do anything except decide that we're not. I think this is fine. We'll start fresh. Let me stop music real quick. We're gonna start fresh. Rebuild the site in React, which will be really fun. And I think we'll be able to move so much. Legitimately, there is so much more fucking work that would need to be done for that to get to a point where it's actually like not a total piece of shit. It would take quite a bit of work. I don't see the benefit of doing that right now. Actually, I do. It's been kind of fun to do on its own, but like I need to get moving on the site, and we need to actually get something up here. We can't like, I can't just sit around writing fucking popover code for the next like 80 hours, only to have just that little piece done. Like that's just fucking silliness. So we'll fucking, and the other part is like, as we add more stuff to the site, like at a certain point, that's just the popover. Like, what if we have to add a fucking tooltip or a behaviory sort of component? It's just gonna get crazy, especially one that demands fucking positioning, because that's, oh my god, fucking positioning elements has to be one of the fucking least fun things to do. It's just very challenging. I shouldn't say it's not fun. I actually think it's super fun. It's really tough, man. Nailing like that is some really tough shit to really nail down the behavior of a very like, you know, JavaScripty type component to actually make it work in like, you know, across, you know, like responsiveness and all the other stuff, and not to have it like what am I trying to say here? Yeah, just nailing all that behavior. It's so easy to fucking miss stuff, and also I think that like it's really especially if you're like inexperienced. Like if you were to go as an inexperienced developer, if you've never worked in like, you know, never actually never had a development job and you're just doing it on your own, there's so many little things you probably miss. One of them is like the unmounting the listeners when the component unrenders. That's something that for sure like a new developer would miss, and it's like something that could in like certain cases make your site really slow and shitty, or just like perform weird under certain circumstances, and you would never know why. But that's just one of many. There's like so many little, like these little tiny behavioral pieces that are fucking so annoying to nail down, because they're so like adding something for this like right now what we were gonna work on is making the popover mobile friendly. So we're gonna, and before we even started that, we had to like, if the window changes size, the popover is out of position relative, and like that, it's just so fucking silly, because for my site, like my website, which has probably had, I haven't looked, I think it's probably had like 5 visitors total. Who the fuck is like going to resize their window when visiting my tiny website, and then like because of that like it you know, causes real issues? That's never happened. So really we're just spinning our wheels. So fuck that noise. We're gonna start over. We're gonna go React. We're gonna move really quickly. We're gonna crush it. I do think I did have a plan to do some SVG art. This makes it, it's very, I mean fuck it, there's no reason G art. This makes it, it's very, I mean fuck it, there's no reason why it can't be done in React actually. Fuck it. I can't think of a single reason not to move to React. I think it'll take me, you know, maybe we just take a 15-minute break and come back. Well, I'm going to do that. I'm going to leave the stream running because I'm going to go for a walk real quick. I'm going to come back and we'll move everything to React. Let's see if this template was not provided. Oh, god damn it, man. Fucking create React app is fucking up. I was going to throw in some TypeScript in this bitch, but no, I definitely want TypeScript. This is like prime time for TypeScript. I'm going to go for my walk real quick. I'm going to come back. I'll talk about why this is like prime time for TypeScript. And we'll get it in there. This is trivial to get this shit up and running. And then, like, there's not, like, so much of this code we're going to reuse exactly what it is. I spent a lot of time on that popover. That's done, and fuck it. You know, it's wasted time. But the stuff for the calendar is good to go. The stuff for the popover content, the rich text rendering stuff in there, that'll be fine, too. So the only thing that we're really losing out on is that popover, which was probably the biggest chunk of time. So we'll keep a Git history here. So there will be like old commits that'll have that popover on it. So we won't lose it forever, but it'll be like gone from my local shit. But I'm going to take a quick break actually. So I'll be back in like, I don't know, 15 minis, 15 to 20 or so. I'm going to go for a walk, but leaving the stream running. Peace, but I'll be back. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Right, we're refactoring everything, starting all over. You can get some water real quick. I also realized that I was probably, I think the second window, let's pop that up here because that seems like a better place. It is really tough to see this though. But we only need to see the browser a little bit. There's not, I've been like thinking a lot. The layout that I go with is usually pretty fucked up and is like sometimes blocking stuff. Blocking the code, I'm writing shit like that, but fuck it, I don't know. I don't have a good solution for this problem. The only thing I can think to do, I mean, people aren't really watching too much anyway, so it's not that big a deal. The only thing I could really think to do that like makes sense is to, if people really wanted to follow along, we could pop this up here and leave it here. I think also what would be really cool is to host this or to use something like Local Tunnel or whatever the other one is. Ngrok, I think is that what it's called? Ngrok is something, it might be something else. To use those to tunnel out and expose my local host to a publicly accessible URL and then have people, if they wanted to, then they could also like look at the thing live. You do miss, I mean, doing it's good, but you'll still miss me like fucking around in the console. And shit like that. I don't know if I can afford. There's not enough real estate. What if I put my head over here though? Because I feel like all of this stuff on the left side, the column of the files and stuff, doesn't really fucking matter too much. But I can't put this guy here. Is there more dead space on the right side than the left side, kind of a thing? What I should do is I should be leaving this up, yeah, that big, so I know where the cutoff is. Let's do it like that, and then we can put that there, and then this here. Something like that, and then we can make my head big, because that's what people are here for. Damn, dude. And just approximate it. Oh, I don't know, roughly like this. That's the best I can do, I think. I look great. All right. What was my app was the last one. So if I cd into my app and I ls and there's a bunch of stuff that's not there. So let's do create React app npm. Not you. This guy. I'll try this one more time. I'll create two things here. So let's do create React app TypeScript template TypeScript, and then we'll also just do a regular one. Wrong. Try that. Oh. I gotta fucking. Wait, did I do that? And where did I even? We'll find out when that's done. Alexa, turn off upstairs. It's gonna get dark up in here. That's fine. I don't know. Looks good enough. Interesting. Same thing. I wonder if it. It's an outdated version.
Turn down the bed. Turn down these voices inside my head. Lay down with me. Tell me no lie. Just hold me close. Don't patronize me. Don't patronize. So I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, these fireworks, I will
Boy.
my heart. I feel the power, but you don't. No, you don't. So I can't make you if you don't. No, you
There we go. There we go. Oh.
I'll close my eyes, then I won't see the love you don't feel when you're holding me. Morning will come, and I'll do what's right. Just till then, to give up is fine. I will give
Cool.
up is fine. So I can't make you love me. You don't
Ooh, did I just fucking.
make your
No.
heart feel something in these fireworks.
Okay, that's what do we want to get rid of here?
I feel the power, but you don't. No, you don't. I can't make you love me. If you don't.
Dynamic import. That's cool. Oh, fuck! The .n file was in there. Maybe it's in recycle bin. Ay. Ay, 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 ay. Dude. No. Oh, shit, yeah. We got it. Oh, there's my API keys. That's what I was trying not to expose. I don't think we need to do anything else. Fucking god damn it. Fuck, there it is again. .n files. How do they work with create React App? Variables React. This will be a fun one. We are just going to be exposing our keys here. I don't see how we don't, but again, nobody watches this shit, so it's fine. Okay. But you have Node and React app, right? Don't store any secrets such as private API keys in your React app. That is really interesting. Maybe in this case, fuck, dude. Maybe we have to use Gatsby then, because they're totally right that if we're client-side rendering this shit, I'm straight up exposing. I didn't even realize I've been doing this prior also, but the API keys are just straight up exposed. Like right now, if I went to davebrudnermorningshow.com, let's see if we can if we can view the source and see if we can find it, because I bet you it's in here somewhere. Fuck. Script. There's a lot of this. The easy way to do it would be to just take one of the... Fuck it, let's just do this. I don't even care. Just take one of these keys and see if we can find it in the source here. And there it is. And the token and everything else. So yeah, we are exposing the stuff on the front end. Is there? Yes. And if we did this statically, then it wouldn't be exposed. Fucking shitballs. I guess we have to use Gatsby. I was going to do this anyway at some point, but my hand has been forced. I'm gonna get these API keys off of the website. I mean, it really shouldn't matter. It's for a free service. Worst case scenario, they could take those keys and they could start they can basically. What can they do really with those? Can they write with it? I think they can. I think you could. Maybe not though. Maybe all you can do is read with it anyway. we go. It's not suggested. Yeah. Which is interesting. Okay, so two ways to do it. We could either do... We can't make the request at runtime from the client, so we have to either make that request... Man, at some point we probably would have had to do that anyway. Or we can make everything static. Which I can't think of a reason not to do off the top of my head. Except that it'd be a pain in the... Like, we're still... I can't imagine why we would. I guess what we can do... Yeah, we can start static, and if... You can always... Yeah, we'll start static, and if we find that we need to do anything with a server, we could just have a... All we need is like an express server to statically serve the whatever, and then we could also have our endpoints on that express server. Okay, so that's fine. So let's do it with... Let's start over. We're not going to be doing straight React or vanilla React. We'll be doing a little bit of this. Let's see. Oh. And should be, if you're new to... Okay, since Gatsby natively supports... I don't think I knew that. Gatsby already supports it. That's fucking baller ass shit. Okay. Oh, and maybe we can actually do Tailwind. No, we're using component library, but you could use both though. All right, let's get this shit going. Probably about another 30 minutes of this or so. Oh, fuck, I keep... Oh, maybe I should invalidate the keys in the access token. I just did this. What the fuck is linked to starter? Ah. Tag agnostic styled components. Now we're just going to be going CSS. Maybe Sass. We'll start with this guy. A link to starter? I don't think we need it though. Let's just try it without and see if it... It is cool that they have these though. Netlify, I didn't know Netlify had CMS. Netlify is so fucking awesome. I think somebody I used to work with works with them now too. I would like to get to a point where tonight where we could do it pretty quickly. But I've said that about everything and it hasn't been true. Let us open that shit. Yeah. I like they don't React npm installs or yarn installs for you, which is kind of annoying. This doesn't, which makes what I'm doing really easy. We have to delete this shit though. It's crazy how big a React app is though. 215 megabytes, man. I think it's bigger. Not 215. Okay, here we go. Oh, there's package lock. Yes. Just 2. That is nice. Okay. Very, very fucking cool. Let's see the GraphQL stuff. Isn't there a way to... The GraphQL stuff might get a little interesting, but that's fine. Oh, they have this too. So we are all set. Let's see. All right, actually, I don't think this is going to take as short a time as it should because of GraphQL. I think that'll slow me down. I've dabbled, I've done a couple things with it, but not in a while, and I'll have to relearn a bunch of stuff. And then the contentful fetch, which I think will be in this is probably what we need. No, this is not. This is gonna take longer than I thought. It won't take that bad. It won't be that bad. I think like it's about 2 hours to get everything moved over in total. I think 2 hours is pretty generous, but I think it'll probably take that long. Is run once. This is exactly what we're looking for. So basically, the premise of this is to DaveBrennanMorningShow.com. What happens is from their browser, they make a request to Contentful and get all the list of streams back, and then they render on the page. Because we're making the request from the browser at that point, that's where they have the access token and all the other shit. What this is going to do instead is when you go to build the site, it's going to make those requests at build time, fetch the resources, and then just have it set up so that it's just statically rendering that content. So the access token is never on the client. So basically this script it's kind of like a pre-build script to let you populate your GraphQL Gatsby database with shit. On post build. Create blog pages. Yeah, I think that oh, you know what though? Oh shit, dude. I've done this before. This is crazy, by the way. 2 months. I think I started. Yeah, I mean, this is definitely my last week at Recurly. I've been about 2 months at the new job. Just counting a date in my head. Let's see. Should be blog thing in here. Yes. Okay, I see how this is going to work. It is a little slightly more complicated than I thought it'd be, but it's all right. But I think we're gonna call it here, and let me actually commit this. I think we're gonna call it. I think I'm tired. I really do need to sleep early tonight, and also I realized that this part of it is gonna take. It's gonna take a little bit longer. I want to be a little fresher in my brain for it. But yeah, we're gonna call it. Probably about. That was pretty good though. That was an hour stream. I mean, to be fair, we arguably got nothing done except we set ourselves up for next time. But that's fine. Otherwise, I'm done for the night. Have a great night if you're listening.